What is up, YouTube? This is Calibrate. Today I want to share with you guys a quick restoration of my Ultra Boost 1.0. As you can see, the midsole paint is cracking on these. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip the paint off and we're going to try something new. We're going to dye the Boost black. Shout out to Angelus Direct for their awesome product. And I'm going to show you guys a quick 360 of how much cracking it is on this shoe. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Please hit that subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we're gonna get started, shall we? Here it is, guys. This is the finished product. As you can tell by the midsole, it's a little shiny compared to a matte finish. But if you ask me, I think it looks cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And before I go, I would like to leave you with this quote. It goes by, "Success is not given, it is earned." So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and follow me on Instagram @_calibrate with a K, and at the end another underscore. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.